Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make math study notes. Start by setting up your notebook or digital document. Dedicate specific sections for different topics, ensuring a clear structure. This organization helps you quickly find information when reviewing for exams or working on assignments. A well-structured note system is your first step to mastering math concepts. When taking notes, always include every step of example problems, not just the final answer. This helps reinforce the process. Use different colors or symbols to highlight important formulas, definitions, and theorems. Don't hesitate to jot down questions or personal notes about challenging concepts. These can guide your future study sessions. Visual aids are incredibly powerful in math. Sketch diagrams, graphs, or flowcharts to represent complex ideas, making them easier to understand. Actively engage with your notes by summarizing sections in your own words. Consider making flashcards for key formulas and definitions. This active recall method significantly boosts retention and understanding. Regular review is crucial for solidifying your math knowledge. Set aside time each week to go through your notes, adding any new insights or clarifications. Practice problems directly from your notes to ensure you understand the application of concepts. This continuous engagement transforms your notes into a dynamic learning tool, ready for any challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.